Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find the health and activities section in the WeatherChannel application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, all you have to do is just stay on the page and scroll down a little bit. After doing so, you will find here the health and activities section, and here you can click on two options, the allergy and the running option. Press on the allergy first, and you can see here the pollen one. The tree is moderate, the grass is very high, and the ragweed is none today. You can also see the breathing and the mold. And this is all about it. You can also scroll down for either of these categories to see more, and after that you can head out from this option and you can select the running option, and you can see that the weather in this case is excellent for running, and you can also see the conditions for tomorrow and for the entire week. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.